Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to see a simple snack recipe, that's bread rolls. It is a popular deep fried snack recipe made with sandwich bread slices and potato stuffings. It is an interesting party starter which would be loved by both adults and kids. It is simple and easy to make and can be made in minutes. It can even be served as an iftar snack. So let's begin and have a look at the ingredients. Here I have taken 6 sandwich bread slices, oil for deep frying and making the potato stuffing, 3 medium-sized potatoes boiled, peeled and mashed, salt according to taste, roasted cumin powder 1/3 teaspoon, grated ginger 1-inch piece, grated garlic 5 to 6 cloves, chili powder half a teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/3 teaspoon, some chopped coriander leaves, 2 green chilies thinly chopped. All the ingredients are given below in the description box. Do check out. Now let's begin and make the potato stuffings. For that, let's take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add grated ginger and garlic. Saute well. Now let's add green chilies. Saute it for a minute. And then add mashed potatoes. And mix it well. Now let's add some dry spices, that's chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder and salt. Now give it a nice mix so that all the spices are evenly coated with the potato stuffing. Keep stirring until all the spices are evenly coated with the potatoes. At last, add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a quick mix. And our potato stuffing is now ready. Now let's start making the bread rolls. For that, first we will need to cut the edges of the bread. Cut all the 4 edges. Repeat the process with all the bread slices. Now take 1 bread slice, dip it into water. With the help of your palm, gently squeeze off all the water from the bread slice. Now take 1 tablespoon of the potato stuffing and keep it in the center of the bread slice. And gently roll it. Gently roll it, keeping in between your palms. Make sure to lock the sides. Our potato stuffed roll is ready. Let's repeat the process with all the bread slices. Now our bread rolls are ready to be deep fried. Let's check if the oil is hot enough. Just drop a bread edge and check it out. Now slowly and very carefully drop the bread roll and fry them until golden brown. Make sure not to add too many bread rolls at a time. Flip and fry them. Make sure to keep the flame on low, if not you might burn your bread rolls. These two rolls are ready to be taken out with a beautiful color on them. Now let's repeat the process with the remaining rolls. Our bread rolls are now ready to be served with some ketchup or any green chutney of your choice. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like it. If you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Do share with your family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified when I'm online. See you soon with my next recipe. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.